Hi, welcome to Tabla Talks. My name is Kuljit Bhamra. I'm a composer, musician and a producer. And in this episode, I'd like to demonstrate a quick fix for a broken strap on a tabla. Now, the tabla is a very delicate drum. Firstly, this paste is very delicate. It mustn't be hit with a stick or a sharp object. It is definitely a hand drum and must be only struck with the hand. Secondly, what does happen sometimes is this strap, which is one strap about 10 meters long that goes all the way through, sometimes does break. Now, what I've done here, if you look closely, is I have fixed a broken strap by using a very simple nut and bolt fix. Now, I didn't actually think this would work, but it did, and it does the job very well. What I did was when the strap broke, I slackened the tension in the strap and I released some of this surplus length so that the strap had some give in it. And the purpose of doing that was so that I could get an overlap between the two ends of the broken strap. Once I had an overlap, I put a clamp over the overlap and drilled a small hole through both of the straps all the way through, and then placed a nut and bolt and washer through the hole and tightened it. And it's working very well. Tabla sounds great. And I also have another smaller drum here, which I've done the same thing too. So if you look at this, and you'll see this strap has broken in two places. And what I've done is again created an overlap, drilled a hole through both straps and then put a nut and bolt. What's left to do on this particular drum is for me to, with a hacksaw, cut off this surplus end so it doesn't scratch or injure anybody, and then file it down. I might even put a blob of glue on it just to sort of keep it safe, so to speak, so it doesn't scratch the person playing it. The way of preventing your strap from breaking is when you're tuning your drum, and we all know that you tap the edge to tune a drum, try not to strike the strap. Try and keep your strikes in between the straps, and that will stop these straps from wearing down and eventually breaking it. So there you are. That was a quick fix of a broken strap and also a tip on how to make sure your tuning doesn't degrade the strap itself. I hope you found that useful.